Generous, generous, generous. This word means giving people more of your time or money larger than what is usual or necessary. Let's use generous in a sentence. James was very generous to the street children. Let's have another example. The doctors have been generous with their time and talents. Here is our third example. You gave your whole month's salary to the poor. That's very generous of you. And our last example is, the committee expressed thanks to everyone for their generous donation. Hilarious, hilarious, hilarious. This word means extremely amusing, very funny, entertaining. Let's use hilarious in a sentence. Do you know Tim? He's hilarious. Let's have another example. Linda found the whole situation hilarious. Here is our third example. You should read this book. It's hilarious. And our last example is, the party got quite hilarious after they brought more wine. Impeccable, impeccable, impeccable. This word means someone or something that is flawless. Let's use impeccable in a sentence. Your English is impeccable. Let's have another example. She had an impeccable taste in clothes. Here is another example. Her work is executed with impeccable taste. And our last example is, he was dressed in a suit and an impeccable white shirt.